From ashes to art. Flames swallowed years of my art in minutes, leaving behind nothing but ash and silence. That night, instead of breaking down, I grabbed a stack of napkins at a late-night coffee shop and started sketching with borrowed pens. Strangers watched as I filled napkin after napkin, every line a small rebellion against despair. My hands shook, but my ideas burned brighter than the fire that took everything. Piece by piece, I rebuilt my passion right there between spilled coffee and whispered conversations. Losing my paintings taught me that true creativity lives in the heart, and nothing, not even fire, can destroy it.